Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. Yeah, thank you very much. I know I've been gone for a week. I appreciate all those messages and all the support. Thank you very much. So today we're going to prepare a very delicious mocktail, and I want you to stay tuned with me to see how I'm going to make it mine. You just need a few ingredients to make those. I have my mint leaf. So I have the mint leaf here. I have my ginger ale, and I have the strawberry syrup. I have my fruit blend. So this consists of peaches, strawberries, pineapple, and mangoes. And I also have my lime. I have my cup of sugar, and I have my peach here. And then we're just going to go ahead and start that right away. So this is a very easy process to make it. The reason why I'm making a mocktail is I really love alcohol, definitely, but not all the time you want to take alcohol. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this a very easier step for us. So I'm going to take my fruit blend. So this actually has peaches, strawberry, pineapple, and mango. You can use any of this fruit inside here, but I want to use everything in there. So I'm just going to already defrost this. I'm just going to pour them in the pitcher right now. And then I'm going to mash them all together. So you can go ahead and add some mint leaf inside that. I'm going to add a little mint leaf. Okay, and then I'm going to smash that all together. And be careful with the mint leaf, you don't want to break them into pieces. So from what I have right now, I already have a very good consistency. You can go ahead and add more if you want. Okay, so this is all done right now. I'm going to be adding my lime inside that. So I'm just going to slice this. And then I'm going to add my lime inside that. Add your ginger ale. If you like, you can use Sprite, but I just feel like this is better. I like using this. So add to your add content. Perfect. And if you actually taste this and you feel like it's not sweet enough, you can definitely add sugar into that. So make sure you remove this and you add sugar. And then you can just give it a stir. Perfect. And this is all done right now. We have our mocktail done. Simple, easy, but we are not done yet. So sometimes I always use these. This add more flavor and it also add more color to it. So what I always do is I'm going to serve this in each cup. Perfect. And then you can decide to add the strawberry syrup inside. So you guys are going to see what difference I'm telling you this is going to make. You can see the beautiful color added. Nice. Perfect. And then you can just garnish this with lime, or you can garnish it with pineapple, cucumber, anything you want to garnish it with. So I'm going to go ahead right now and cut this. perfect. And then you can just have this all served nicely and delicious mocktail done. So you guys know what I do best. I love to taste what I actually prepare. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So it depends. You can actually add ice inside this or not if you're actually using cold stuff. So if you want to go ahead and add ice, you can go ahead and do that. But right now mine is chilled enough because I actually use frozen fruits and I actually use the chilled soda. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a taste and see what we have. Oh my god, guys, this is really good. I could have this any time of the day. So guys, I have my drink all done right now, as I can see. And as you can see, I told you guys in the beginning, this is very simple. All you need is just the fruit, the soda, the strawberry syrup if you want to use it or not, or you can use a cup of sugar, and you need your mint leaf, very important, and your lime. You're good to go. So guys, this is a season of refreshment. Take something nice and stay safe. So I'll be back with another delicious recipe for you guys on my channel again. Thank you.